Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Tellor Dev Call. Today is July 8th, 2025. Happy 4th of July to everybody. Welcome back. Hope you had a nice long weekend. I just got back from ECC. It was really great. There was a lot of talk of people saying that they were going to avoid it because of how hard it was to get there and also other things. But it ultimately turned out to be really great. Most people actually made it. For us, obviously, the stable coin was a success as usual, and that really matters to us. The conference itself was actually very packed. So we were able to make a lot of connections and attend a lot of really great talks. With that, let's start talking about Tellor. We've been running testnet for 110 days today, and we've done 5 updates. Everything has been going smoothly and successful. Currently, we're going to be focusing on making sure that all of our monitors work as expected, and then we'll keep you guys posted. But with that, let's get started with how everything's going. Spuddy?
Things are going great. I'm working on the IBC relayer, and we'll probably continue to make sure that we have monitoring as robust as possible. So just doing all kinds of chain queries and figuring out how we're going to save the data and get alerts and stuff like that.
Tim?
I've been working on a monitor for all the attestations and validator set updates that get relayed over to the EVM side. So I built a lot of that last week. And then yesterday did a lot of actually creating bad attestations and putting them over there in a test contract to make sure that our monitors, that our alerts work. And then I also started the process of switching from CSV files over to actual some database, SQL database. So I'm in the middle of that right now. Yeah, I'm continuing to work on that monitor and making a front end to look at it too.
Akram?
Trying to see if we can do something quicker where some of the stuff is stored in a database that you can read quicker than you would actually call getters for it. I did find something, a repo, an Explorer repo that projects used to use, but they're not using any longer. Not sure why, but it's similar to, like, the skeleton of it is similar to what I'm trying to do. The database is Postgres. It's an easier learning curve. It's easier in general. A lot of big companies use it.
Caleb?
Working on some more monitors on the vote extension participation rates, trying to get that saved in a file so we can also do some analysis of that every once in a while. Other than that, just working on my article and then making sure the chain stays running. It's all looking really good right now. The last upgrade to the DVM just kept working and never went down, so that was really cool to see.
Dan?
Yeah, so we use a lot of Open Zeppelin defenders for our EVM contracts, and Open Zeppelin is sunsetting their front end next summer, and they're going full open source. So I've been checking that out. It's all Python and Rust, which will be interesting. But yeah, getting defenders up for the layer token bridge and data bridge. Yeah, checking out the other monitors as well.
Brian?
Huge breakthrough. Was able to finally get a delegation successfully through the bridge page. So, seen to rework the UX of it. It was just kind of solely focusing on getting a successful transaction through. Hopefully that should be a lot smoother and quicker.
All right. Well, that's it for today. We'll see you guys next week.